Hi and welcome to Fitfully Vintage. Today in Pinup Hairstyles 101 I'm going to show you how to create one of my favourite everyday looks. This really simple and easy but ever so effective pinup front roll or suicide roll. Why don't you subscribe right now for regular updates and just click that notification bell down there so that you're made aware every time that I post a video. I wouldn't want you to miss out. Okay, we're going to be starting with the front section of your hair. Take a deep side parting and then a line from this parting at about the crown and take it down to the opposite side of your forehead. You're going to want to curl this section in about 1 inch-ish size pieces with any kind of curling iron. You'll want to roll the hair around the curling iron forwards towards your face, and this will keep that roll held for as long as possible. The style will be much more durable if you clip and allow the curls to cool, so I'm going to clip mine here with sectioning clips. So work your way carefully from the back to the front, and then if you have a little fringe like me you'll want to curl this as well, but please be careful here not to burn your forehead or your fingers. It's quite tricky to curl a tiny fringe. All of these curls are going to be brushed into one, so you don't have to be too fussy with regards to the sectioning. You can see that my curls here are not exactly 1 inch all over, and there's not a particular setting pattern that you need to follow. Just work from the back to the front and you should be absolutely fine. Let those curls cool completely so that they are completely cold. Do not try and take your clips out when your hair is still a little bit warm or the clips feel still a little bit warm, because that really isn't going to help hold the curl. It's almost pointless clipping them in the first place if you're going to do that. So wait till they're completely cooled, and then take them out and run your fingers through the curl. I'm using my Denman brush here then to just brush the curls together and brush them all forwards. Now here we go, the roll. 2 ways I'm going to show you how to do it, well 3 almost actually. Make a loop with the ends of your hair and you're going to pinch it with your forefinger and your thumb. You're then going to put your index finger through the roll and clasp with your middle finger and work your way up your hair. And when you get to whereabouts your fringe is, if you have one, you're going to want to grab it with your thumb and incorporate it into your roll. Like this. Swoop. Incorporate it in and then keep on rolling upwards. When you get to your hairline you can pin with hair clips and you have a pretty front roll. Here's an easier way though. Section clip the fringe to the lengths of your hair, and then once you reach your hairline you can just take the sectioning clip out and your fringe should stay put. Then you're going to want to bobby pin from each side. Now you'll find that these rolls are particularly secure actually, and only a couple of bobby pins are necessary to hold the roll in place, but you might want to use more or less depending on the thickness of your hair. Every roll is unique and it will just depend how much hair that you've taken initially, how thick or coarse your hair is or slippery your hair is. Right, once your roll is done you're going to want to close one end off so you can't see through it. And you do that just by smooshing the hair kind of along. That's not very technical, is it? Take your index and middle finger and move some of the hair towards the end of the roll down towards your scalp and it will close the roll off, and then you can add accessories as you wish. This is a super easy way to make a front roll if you can't quite manage that finger clasping, pinching roll. Just get a cut up bun donut and wrap your hair around that. Try to get one that's quite close to your hair colour because it might be a little bit visible. Incorporate your fringe if you have one and then keep on twisting so it's nice and tight up to your hairline. Now this is amazing, these hold so securely and you just need a couple of bobby pins pinned vertically in at your hairline to hold it all day. I absolutely love wearing this, and I know it's going to be secure. Again, forefinger and index finger into one end to smoosh it down and make sure you can't see right through it, and just again using a bobby pin as best as possible, hiding it as best as I can and clipping it down. Now you can squeeze the foam of the bun ring in so you can't see it from the front, and then spray. Finally this Elna is running out, it seemed to last for absolutely ages. Please comment down below what you like to call this type of roll. Front roll, suicide roll, reverse victory roll, front victory roll, what do you call them? Let me know. I've just added a little flower to the side and that's it, dudettes. Nice, quick and easy, simple, pin-up, iconic front roll or suicide roll. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the video. Don't forget to click that like button if you did enjoy it. Check out the link down below, which will lead you to all my cheat sheets, and take care. See you soon. Bye. Oh no, that's not right. You want to jump on that pin-up wagon? No, that's not a wagon. Why aren't you in focus, you stupid thing? An easy pin-up. Do you want to style your hair in a vintage way? No.